Hello everyone. This is Lee with Logos by Lee. And in today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to make a simple letter logo using Inkscape. First, grab the ellipsis tool and make a circle. Set the width to 300. Open the Fill and Stroke menu, then drop the opacity down. Left-click on the circle and go to the path, duplicate. Set its width to 150. You should end up with a small circle. Align it in the middle of the bigger one. Left-click on the small circle and duplicate again. Hold Ctrl and pull down the arrow until it snaps on the bottom edge of the big circle. Now grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Set the width to 150. Select the rectangle, then hold Shift and select the middle circle. Open the Align and Distribute menu and press Align right sides. Left-click on the rectangle, press N. You should see a small circle created on the top right corner. Click on it and pull it down. You should end up with a rounded edge rectangle. Now grab the Bézier tool by pressing B on the keyboard, then draw a vertical line to split the rectangle into two pieces. Select the line, hold Shift and select the rectangle. Go to Path, Division. Delete the right side, and adjust the left one so it is right inside the big circle. Select the small circle, then duplicate. Now select the small circle, hold Shift on the keyboard and select the middle circle, go to Path Difference. Select the small circle again, hold Shift, select the big circle, go to Path Difference. Now, select the rectangle and duplicate it, hold Shift and select the intersected area inside the circles. Go to Path Difference. Then the path, break apart. Now remove the small piece. Now grab the Bézier tool and draw a shape like that. Click on the big circle, then duplicate. Hold Shift, then, click on the shape you draw before, go to Path Intersection. You should end up with a shape like this. Give it a red color. Click on it and duplicate. Hold Shift and click on the rectangle. Go to Path Difference. Then, Path Break Apart. Now remove the small piece. Hold Shift and select those three objects. And go to Path, Union. I'll select everything, and raise the opacity up. Give the shape some gradient color. And congratulations, you're done. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.